Okay, good day everyone. We are welcome to Martin Online Maths class. In the last video I posted, look at rationalization of surd. That is a fraction that has surd in the denominator. Okay, this moment I'm going to look at a surd that contains binomial surd in the denominator. Okay, solution now. We are given 3 surd 2 minus 2 surd 3 all over 3 surd 2 plus 2 surd 3. Okay, we want to express this in the form x plus y surd k. What we want to do here is to rationalize this surd. But here we have binomial surd in the denominator. What do I mean by binomial surd? A surd that contains 2 expressions. Either one of them contains a surd or both contain a surd. And to rationalize this surd, I need to multiply the numerator and denominator of this surd using the conjugate surd of the denominator. If I say the surd conjugate, I mean this plus sign here, I will change it to minus. So I will have 3 surd 2 minus 2 surd 3 minus 2 surd 3 over 3 surd 2 plus 2 surd 3 times the conjugate will be minus, which is now 3 surd 2 minus 2 surd 3 all over 3 surd 2 minus 2 surd 3. So I'll multiply the numerator. I will have 3 surd 2 minus 2 surd 3 bracket 3 surd 2 minus 2 surd 3 over 3 surd 2 minus 2 surd 3 times 3 surd 2 minus 2 surd 3. So I will expand the denominator. Now expand the numerator. Expand the numerator now. 3 times 3, I will use the first term, which is 3 surd 3, to multiply all the terms in the second bracket, which is now 3 surd 2 minus 2 surd 3. Again, I will use the second term in the first bracket, which is minus 2 surd 3, to multiply all the terms in the second bracket, 3 surd 2 minus 2 surd 3. If you look at now, this and this is an expression that we call difference of 2 square. What is the difference of 2 square? If you recall that if you have x square minus y square, okay, this identity now is equals to x plus y bracket x minus y. We call difference of 2 square, which is the sum of the product of their square, and that is the sum of the product of their sum and their difference. So I can write this as this, which is now 3 surd 2 square minus 2 surd 3 square. Okay. If I move further now, then I will have 3 times 3 will give us 3. So 3 times surd 3 will give us 2 minus 3 times minus 2 will give us minus 6. So 3 times surd 2 times surd 3 will give us surd 6. We are done with the first bracket here. Minus 2 times 3 will give us minus 6. Surd 3 times surd 2 will give us surd 6. Minus 2 times minus 2 will give us plus 4. And surd 3 times surd 3 will give us 3 over 3 square is 9 times surd 2 square will give us 2, because square will cancel square root, minus 2 square will give us 4 times surd 3 square will give us 3. So at the end we have 3 times 2 6 minus 6 surd 6 minus 6 surd 6 will give us minus 12 surd 6 plus 4 times 3 12 over 9 times 2 is 18 minus 4 times 3 is 12, and 6 and 12 can add. We have 18 minus 12 surd 6 over 18 minus 12 is 6. Remember the question says in the form x plus y sub k. So I will split this now, which is now 18 over 6 minus 12 over 6 sub 6. And this implies 18 divided by 6 will give us 3. 12 divided by 6 will give us 2 sub 6 in the form x plus y sub k. Because the question says in this one, which means that you must express it in this form. If you stop here, you must now exam, you may be penalized. In fact, you will be penalized for not